Hi guys, thank you for watching this video. Sometimes you're working on a track and you have hi-hats or shakers that sound like they're dying and you want to give them some life. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 methods to give them that beautiful. Here we go. Method number 1 is very simple but very effective. It's actually changing the velocity of the different notes of the shaker. So as you can hear, there's a shaker pattern in there that's a little bit monotonous. It sounds the same the whole time. And here we have all the notes, and below you can see the velocity values. Now we can select draw mode and draw in different values for each note. Each note will sound a tiny bit different in volume. So in the track it sounds like this. So the second method is using a delay. In this case I'm using a simple delay from Ableton. This is without. And when I turn it on, you'll hear there are some little artifacts introduced on the left and the right of the stereo spectrum. And yeah, we'll just give it a little bit more flow and a little bit more liveliness. So method number 3 is the AUTOPAN. Now if you're working with a specific type of dance music where you need the hi-hats or shakers to sit in a specific place in the mix, don't use this one, but in this case it's kind of an organic rolling track where I want the sound to move around a bit more, so that's why I'm using it here. So this is without, and this is with. I'm just exaggerating the effect a little bit, but usually you set it to around 15%. So now we go to method number 4, which is a chorus. In this case I'm using the subtle preset from Ableton's chorus plugin. If I emphasize the effect a little bit, you'll hear it. Awesome. So the fifth and final way to improve your hi-hats or shakers is to use an LFO. You can make it generate random values, which you can see over here. You can influence a plugin with that random signal. So in this case, I decided I would want to influence the feedback of the simple delay. So we click on map and then on feedback, and as you can see, this value over here influences the feedback on the simple delay right now. So we can apply that to any effect in our chain. So now you hear that every time the simple delay is engaged, you get a different type of feedback, which is great because that's what we want. So this is with all the effects, and now I'll take all the effects off. I'll put them on again. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think. If you want to know more about my own productions and projects, check the link below. And I'll see you on the next video. Be creative, and I'll see you soon. Bye!